up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lynette. I am here. If you're a returning subscriber, what's up? If you're new here, make sure you're pressing that subscribe button and make sure you want to be a part of the glam fam. Anyways, on today's videos, what's up, guys? Today's basically a how-to. Say hi, Celine. Celine wants to say hi. So today, guys, I'm actually going to be showing you guys something that I've been dying to try for my hair. So this is actually going to be a tutorial on the Rosemary hair water. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to make the viral rosemary hair water. So some of the benefits of rosemary hair water is it promotes healthy hair, it mitigates hair loss. As some of you may know, I am a victim of androgenic alopecia. So I have androgenic alopecia. I was diagnosed in like 2017. You would never know that I actually have alopecia because I take such good care of my hair. And on top of that, I'm always using the hair products that I use for my hair are very, they're all like healthy, they're all herbal things and stuff. Okay, you're gonna have to get down because what are you sniffing? So they're all like herbal stuff and it's things that you can get like at the market, so it doesn't have like chemicals in it. So I like to use a lot of is very natural. So on today's episode, I'll be showing you guys basically all the stuff that you need. It's very simple, very easy, and with this video I will actually do updates. So I think I'm gonna do like a 3-week update, and then I'll just like keep on doing updated videos to show you guys like the before and after. I'll show you guys the difference. And yeah, so my hair actually looks like this right now. My hair's actually been getting really healthy. It's actually like I have to like wash it now. I was waiting for a couple days so that way I could actually film a tutorial for you guys, because I'm going to do a hair tutorial for you guys as well. But yeah, let's get into this video. All right, so the ingredients that we need, basically it's very simple. Literally it's only like 2 ingredients, unless you want to try and add in like an oil, you can do that. So for this, I'm strictly using just the rosemary water. So I'm strictly using, so I went and got my rosemary. I actually got like 3 bunches because I'm not going to use them all today, but for some reason, ever since this TikTok trend been going around and it's been on TikTok, now everyone's like going and buying up all the darn rosemary. So anyway, I got 2 bunches actually, but this one is like 2 bunches together. But anyway, so I got 2 bunches. So I got my rosemary here, and then all you need is a spray bottle, just something for you to spray. And I also wanted to add in that this is perfect. This is literally a perfect treatment for all hair types. So it's not just for straight hair. It's not just for curly hair. It's not just for a certain type of pattern, hair pattern, or anything like that. So it's perfect for all hair types, which is perfect. So of course, we all love something that is good for all of us. Yeah, so let's get right into it. I have my pot here, my little pink pot. So I'm gonna fill this with some water. That's what we're gonna do first. Okay, so I didn't fill it up. It's literally, it's not all the way. I can't really like show you guys all the way, but actually. Okay, so basically that's how much I put in. I'm not gonna be making a lot, and so I didn't put a whole bunch in right now. So it's literally like if you put my finger, I put it like up to here, just so you guys are more like specific with measurements. So it's not really like measurements, it's basically how much you want to put. I said that, I'm gonna say the same thing, but anyways, it's basically how much you want to put. I am not going to be doing so much because I want to consistently make fresh batches, and I don't want to have it just sitting in the fridge. But after you make it, you store it in the refrigerator and keep it somewhere that it's like a nice cool place, and you should be good to go. But you don't want to over store it. So anyway, after we have our water in, we want to just simply take our bunch of rosemary, literally as is. So I'm going to take the rosemary. We're just going to put that in as such. But of course, go big or go home. or go home. And I feel like basically like with this is like tea, so you're gonna extract all of the rich nutrients and everything that you're getting from the rosemary and stuff. So you want to steep it really like for a long time. So like I said, guys, you just put it straight in the water with as much rosemary as you want. I put the whole bush in there because I want all of those nutrients. And we're just gonna let that steep for about an hour and come back and check on it. It's 5:30 now, so I'm gonna check on this at like 6:30 because I want to let it simmer for about an hour to get everything out of it. And then we're gonna let it cool, and then we're gonna strain it, put everything in. Yeah, so see you guys back in an hour. Okay, so now that we took it off of the heat, we're gonna just let it sit here for about an hour or 30 minutes just so it just cools down. It could be either less than that, but just let it cool down, and then we're gonna just strain it and do everything else. All right, guys, so Tylil's being cameraman for right now, but come on this way, baby. So this is what it's looking like right now. Let's get a little close in there, baby. Let's get it close. You can see that's a little tincture. All right, so I have a strainer, but I just feel like there's really not much to strain. You just have to take out the rosemary, I feel like. But, because I want all that nutrients. I want all of it. Okay. This is kind of small. Because y'all know I'm practicing.
I used to be a photographer, Mom.
Yeah, so I'm practicing this. I need my vlog man. Come on, I need you to be my vlog man. But I need him to be a good editor because, you know, guys, you gotta let him know we need good lighting. We need good visuals. We need everything clear.
Don't worry, I'm gonna get back on it, Mom. I'm gonna get back on it.
Okay, baby.
I got you.
All right, I don't have one of those thingies. And I call everything a thingy. But I'm gonna use this thing instead. Because it, like, does that. So all right, let's strain it into here. I'm gonna strain it. All right, strain it. Hey, Rosemary, you trying to put it in my bottle? I feel like I'm gonna lose some. Okay. And we made it happen though, okay? Because the rest we're just gonna put in a mason jar and we're gonna store it in the fridge because I already know this, I'm gonna go through this. And I'm actually gonna be putting it on my son's hair too.
Yes.
He doesn't need his hair to grow anymore. But,
I do.
But, all right. So this is what it looks like. All right, and then right after this, I'm gonna just show you guys how to apply it. So we're gonna come to the bathroom, Tello.
Okay.
All right, guys, so now that it's in our spray bottle, I'm gonna show you guys actually what to do. All right, so if there's some options, if you guys wanted to put peppermint oil inside, you just put about like 5-6 drops inside here just to stimulate your scalp. I don't want to do that. I want it strictly to be just rosemary water, and I want to be able to use it continuously every day. So I don't want to put stuff that's going to make my hair like greasy and everything. So here I'm going to show you guys now actually how to apply it to your hair, because you don't want to just apply it to your hair. What we're doing is we're getting our scalp to get our roots. So Tello, come this way.
Okay.
And actually put some. We want to part your hair, and I want to go in. So I'm going in and I'm putting that in my scalp to do that, right? So now this is what I'm going to do. And I'm going to put it everywhere. So what's also easy, I'm just doing this for you guys really quick just to let you guys know. But if I was actually doing it before bed, which you guys should actually do before bed, this is what you're going to do. Part your hair into 4, put into 4, and actually not drench it, but kind of like get in there and massage every part, right? Massage it. And then you just want to put it into a little bun, a nice little thingy real quick. Wrap it, you know. And then I sleep with a bonnet, so we'll keep it in. nice, and the heat and everything. Or if you guys want to do it as a treatment, some people are putting like apple cider vinegar, and they're actually putting like I told you guys, the peppermint oil inside. I don't want to put any of that inside, so I don't need to. So they'll actually put like a clear shower cap just so it could actually like seep more in. You could do that for maybe like 2 hours, but we're not doing that. So I'm gonna actually apply it like in the mornings when I do my hair. Before I go to bed, just put it on, and that's how I'm gonna start my routine. So it's gonna be like morning, so it's like day and night, day and night, day and night. So yeah, that's my video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video on my rosemary water. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next episode.